Friends, welcome to World GK. In this video, we are going to discuss mineral belt in India. We are going to cover in detail the aspects of distribution of various minerals across the country using detailed maps. So, without further delaying, if you are new to this channel, please share this video and subscribe to the channel. Without further delaying, let's start the lecture. Mineral belts in India. The first mineral we are going to study is iron ore. Let's see iron ore distribution in India. Odisha is leading producer of iron ore, accounting for 51% of total production, followed by Chhattisgarh 17%, Karnataka 14%, Jharkhand 11%. Remaining 7% production was reported from Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. So here main thing is Odisha and Chhattisgarh are leading producers of iron ore in India. That is, Odisha produces 51% of total production and Chhattisgarh 17% production. Now moving further, geologically iron ore is owned from following types of deposits: banded iron formation of Precambrian age. This is the first Archean schist belt which is in Jharkhand, Odisha, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Goa, where high grade deposits are obtained. So next is granulite terrain of South India, that is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Moving further, sedimentary ore, that is sedimentary iron ore deposit of sedimentite and limonite. Composition 30 to 40% ferrous, that is iron, associated with ironstones shale of lower Gondwan age in coalfield area of Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Lateritic ores derived from subaerial alternation of genesis, schist, basic lava, etc. under humid tropical condition, which is in Deccan Trap, Chotanagpur Gisnes, 30 to 40% is obtained. Next are apatite magnetic rocks or Singhbhum copper belt, which occurs in the form of zone associated with granodiorite on the hanging wall side of copper clods. Titaniferous and vanadiferous magnetite deposits occurring in the form of linoidal bodies associated with intrusive ultramafic gabbroic rocks of Singhbhum, which is in Jharkhand, Mayurbhanj, Kendujhar, which is in Odisha, southern districts of Karnataka, that is in Hassan, and Tumkuru districts. So these are the types of deposits which basically occur in nature of iron ore. Now let's see the location of these ores in the map. As you see here is the Bihar Orissa belt. Second is the Chhattisgarh Maharashtra belt. Karnataka belt. Here you can see Tamil Nadu belt, and here is the Ratnagiri Goa belt. So these are 5 belts of iron ore in India. You can say distribution of iron ore in India. Now let first see major manganese ores mining center across world. South Africa, Kurmani area of Kalahari Basin, Gabon, Monda, Australia, Grootegeldt in Gulf of Carpentaria, Russia, Nikpul Basin, Urals, Western and Eastern Siberia. In Brazil, the Serra do Navio, Curumba district of Mato Grosso, and in Mexico, Molongo region. Now, let's see manganese ores or reserves in descending order. Here is first Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Now manganese ores production in descending order. Here you can see manganese ore reserves, and here manganese ore production in decreasing order, that is most manganese ore producing state is Madhya Pradesh, then Odisha, then Maharashtra, then Karnataka. Now moving further, manganese ores has following 4 varieties which have commercial importance. First is pyrolusite, the most important manganese ore, then silomelane, magnetite, braunite, rhodochrosite. These are 5 important manganese ores which have commercial importance. Now let's see distribution of manganese ore in India. So as you can see, these are the important manganese reserves in India. As you can see, in the eastern and south region of India, there are most of the reserves which are located. In south, Ratnagiri, Bellary, Guntur, Chudappa, Durga, Tumkur, Shimoga, Uttar Kannada. These are the reserves. Whereas in the west, Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Bolangir, Srikakulam, Visakhapatnam, Koraput, Kalandi, Bandra, Balaghat, Nagpur and Chindarwada. These are the reserves. There are some reserves in Gujarat and Rajasthan also. Now the next ore or mineral is bauxite. Now let's see bauxite distribution. Odisha has 51% of country's resources of bauxite also, followed by Andhra Pradesh 16%, Gujarat 9%, Jharkhand 6%, Maharashtra 5%, and MP and Chhattisgarh 4% each. Major bauxite resources are concentrated in East Coast bauxite deposits in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. The world bauxite reserves are estimated at 30 billion tons and are located mainly in Guinea 25%, Australia 20%, Vietnam 12%, Brazil 9%, Jamaica 7%, Indonesia and China 3% each. So Guinea and Australia are the main two bauxite producing regions in the world. Now let's see major bauxite centers in India. Odisha is having major bauxite reserves. Jharkhand, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa. These are centers of bauxite in India. Now let's see through mapping Indian bauxite mines. So you can take a screenshot of this, or I will provide this PDF on our Telegram channel World GK. The link will be provided in the description box. You can study there. Here it is very complex to understand. There are many bauxite resources. Moving further to the Vindhya range. Nickel occurs principal as oxide, sulfides and silicates in India. Important occurrence in nickel-ferrous limonite in the overburden of chromite in Sukinda Valley, Jaipur district of Odisha. In addition, nickel is found associated with uranium deposits at Jaduguda, Jharkhand, and a process are being developed for recovery. The resources are spread over in the Sangam district of Jharkhand and Jaipur, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. You see, Odisha having most of the mineral resources in the India. It is found now nickel. We are talking about nickel resources in India. It is found as oxide in Odisha, which has 93% of India's nickel resources. In Jharkhand, nickel is found along with copper and uranium deposits. Nickel is also produced as a byproduct of copper mining, as in Ghatsila are the area of Jharkhand where nickel occurs in small quantities in copper. So these are the nickel reserves in India. Here you can see Odisha, Jharkhand, Nagaland, Karnataka, Assam, Rajasthan. These are the main nickel reserves in India, along with Maharashtra, West Bengal, Telangana are under exploration for nickel reserves. Moving further to chromite distribution in India. More than 96% resources of chromite are located in Odisha, mostly in Jaipur, Kendujhar and Dhenkanal districts. Minor deposits are scattered over Manipur, Nagaland, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. At present, mining operations for chromite are restricted in the Sukinda ultramafic belt in the Bolanashik chromite belt in Odisha, in Hassan district of Karnataka, and minor quantity is also produced in Maharashtra. So these 2 points are important. That is where chromite mining operations are restricted and 96% resources are obtained only in Odisha. Now let's move to zinc and lead distribution in India. India has combined zinc lead production capacity of more than 1 million per year. Rajasthan is endowed with largest resources of zinc and lead ores in India. Resources are also established in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Meghalaya, Odisha, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand and West Bengal. Rampura Agucha is a zinc and lead mine in the Bhilwara district of Rajasthan. It has the world's largest deposit of zinc and lead, not in largest in India, but the world largest zinc deposit in Bhilwara district of Rajasthan, that is Rampura Agucha. Refined lead is imported from South Korea, Australia, Malaysia, UAE, Myanmar and exported to US, South Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam and Thailand. So these are the zinc ores deposited nearly mostly in Rajasthan. Some are here. So most of the resources are in Rajasthan. Now mica distribution in India. The three major types of mica found in India are muscovite, that is potash or white mica, phlogophyte, that is magnesium or amber mica, and biotite. Important mica bearing pegmatite occurs in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh leads with 41% share in country's total resources, followed by Rajasthan 28%, Odisha 17%, Maharashtra 13%, Bihar 2%, small quantities in Jharkhand and Telangana. So this you can see manganese bauxite and mica distribution in India. Now let's talk about gold distribution. Australia and South Africa hold a large share of world's gold mine reserves, accounting for 10,000 metric tons and 1,300 metric tons respectively. There are three gold fields in the country, namely Kolar Gold Field, that is KGF, Kolar District, Hoti Gold Field in Raichur District, both in Karnataka, and Ramgiri Gold Field in Anantapur District, Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka is the largest producer of gold in India. The 10 largest gold mines in the world are given here. That is South Deep Gold Mine, South Africa, Grasberg Gold Mine, Indonesia, Olympia Gold Mines, Russia, Leher Gold Mine, Papua New Guinea, Norte Abierto Gold Mine, Chile, Carlin Trent Gold Mine, USA, Boddington Gold Mine, Western Australia, Moponging Gold Mine, South Africa, Belo Vijo Gold Mine, Dominican Republic, Cortez Gold Mine, US. So these are the Kolar Goldfield, Raichur, Chittor and Eastern Simbok. These are gold mines in India. Kolar Gold Field, that is Kolar Gold Mine in Karnataka, is shut down for many years. Silver distribution. Mexico is world leader in terms of silver production for mines, followed by countries such as Peru, Australia, China, Chile, Bolivia, USA, and Russia. By state, largest resources in terms of silver ore in descending order is Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. In terms of production, the following states are the top producer of silver in descending order, that is Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, and Karnataka. So these are gold and silver productions in India. So this is the end of the video. If you have liked the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.